If your EcoSmart Tankless water heater isn't producing hot water, the issue usually comes down to power, water flow, or internal sensors. Start by checking the electrical supply. EcoSmart units require a full 240-volt connection to heat properly. A tripped breaker is very common, so reset it and make sure all breakers feeding the unit are fully on. If possible, use a multimeter to confirm voltage, because anything under about 220 volts can cause weak or no heating, even if the unit seems powered. Next, confirm proper water flow. EcoSmart heaters need at least zero point 0.5 gallons per minute to activate the heating elements. If the flow sensor or flow meter is dirty or blocked with debris, the unit may not detect water movement and won't heat. Low household water pressure can cause the same issue. After that, check the thermostat setting and look for error codes on the display. Codes like E1, E2, or E3 usually point to temperature sensor or thermistor problems that stop the heater from regulating heat correctly. Before going deeper, try a full power reset. Turn off all hot water taps, shut off the heater at the breaker, wait about 5 minutes, then restore power and test again. If that doesn't work, do a manual reset by turning off power at the breaker, removing the front cover, and pressing the small reset button near the thermostat until it clicks. Reassemble the unit, restore power, and test hot water. For long-term reliability, descale the heater every 3 to 6 months with white vinegar and clean the inlet filter regularly. If hot water still doesn't return after these steps, it's best to contact a qualified technician, especially for electrical or sensor-related repairs.